I'm Roni, one of the physical therapists at Hope Physical Therapy and Wellness, and I wanted to give you all a few tips on raking this fall. So we have a few leaves here that I'm going to demonstrate with, and then we'll talk about how to pick up the leaves to put them in the garbage bag correctly as well. One of my patients has a leaf vacuum that I think sounds really awesome, but we don't have one of those, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. So most people, when raking, will put the rake out and then bending their back, which is hard on the back, and then stand up to bring the rake toward them. So again, bending through the back, standing up, bending, standing up, to try to get as far out as you can with the rake. So what I would suggest is to engage your core, pulling the muscles in, not sucking in like you're getting in your skinny jeans, but you're pulling the muscles in behind your belly button, tightening across your abdominal muscles, and then you're going to step out and step back to rake. So you're going to step out, step back, and there's no bending, there's no twisting with my back. You can see how this would be. You're using your arm a little bit, and if you have any shoulder problems, don't even do that. Just step out and take smaller swipes at the grass to rake up the leaves. So you can hire a neighborhood kid. If you can't, I'm kind of off the street here. So again, you're stepping onto your front foot and then stepping to your back foot, facing the leaves so you're not twisting while you're doing it. And alternate which side you want to use. Again, it's this rocking from that front foot to the back foot and keeping your back straight with your abdominal muscles tight is going to help protect you with that activity. And the other part of raking, at my house at least, is then picking up the leaves to throw them in the garbage bag. So most people will bend over. You can see how this would be hard on your back if you're doing repetitive motion, and then lift up. So the back muscles were not meant to be lifting muscles. They're meant to sustain you upright through the day. So you want to bend at your hips and knees, reach down and grab your leaves, and then you're going to turn and throw them in your garbage bag. Pretend that's a garbage bag. So you don't want to twist. So if you pick them up well and then you twist, that's also hard repetitively. Hard on your back if you do it repetitively. Sometimes it's one time and it's hard on your back. So you want to bend using good body mechanics, straight back, reach down, pick up your leaf pile, and then turn and throw it in the garbage bag. Or better yet, I suppose the garbage bag is even closer to you, so you barely have to turn. But you can shift from one leg to the other to do the turn, so you're not twisting. Twisting is bad. Repetitive bending is hard on your back. So try these tips this fall and see if you can't do a little bit better job protecting your back as well as your shoulders. So if you do smaller motions, don't reach out as far, and take frequent breaks. It should help you get through and get your leaves picked up without causing injury. If you have any questions, contact us at Hope Physical Therapy and Wellness, and we'd be happy to help you with this and any other body mechanics or back issues that you may be having. Have a great day. Happy fall.